Hello, everybody. Welcome to Street Smart Investing. I'm Albert, and welcome to the channel once again. If you're tuning in, please put up your volume. I don't know if I sound too low or too high. Um, let's begin. I'm trying to continue again this video with the banking sector, and my camera's ready to go. I hope you guys can see really good with what I'm doing. And I apologize for making the video longer than it was last time, but I just want to get as much information and the best possible, most accurate information to you so that way you guys can see what I'm doing. So again, when I explain stocks, I want you guys to, learn and understand uh, why I choose certain stocks and, the decision making and the process and why I think it's good and the trends and if it's gonna be a short term or long term and all that good stuff. So again, I hope you guys can learn something. Not even if it's not in this video, hopefully in one of my videos you guys learn something, and that's all I ask for. If you guys like the video, or if you want me to um, look up something with certain stocks, then I can do that and I will get to it. So again, I'm continuing the banking services sector, and I'm almost done with my first list. So I'm so glad. I've done already 10 videos in this sector. I probably have about, let me see. I probably have about 170 more videos to go with the pictures that I have. So, yeah. So, anyways, I'm trying to fit in at least 5 stocks in the one video. So, yeah, that's my goal, to try to cover as many stocks as I can. And I'm trying to make it fun as well. So, I'm trying to just do different things. Again, I cover dividend stocks, growth stocks, income, and all that, and anything with stocks I like. Again, if you are interested in options and stuff, I don't really cover that. I just pretty much cover stocks and discussions on that, and any challenges or outcomes or certain difficulties with stocks, I like to explain that and get a little bit into it. Again, I covered just basic feedback, and I think that's just the best way to learn and the best way to understand something. And I do cover technicals and different processes of terminology and all that. So again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not certified or anything, but I do have accurate information, which I wouldn't say that makes me just as good, but it makes me valuable enough to share certain feedback and information to you guys. So again, if you're gonna invest in the stock market, and if you want to sue somebody, it's not gonna be me. So please consult a financial advisor. And all these so-called wannabe YouTube financial advisors, because yeah, they're not really looking out for you. They're just recommending because of, I don't know, selfish reasons or what they like or what they think might happen, but they don't give you a full detailed analysis. So again, I haven't seen a lot of channels that provide that, which is why I've only subscribed to very few channels to get my information, and other subscribers that I do like, that I can refer other people to watch their channel. So let's begin. Enough of me. I'm talking too much. So let's get this started. I'm covering 5 stocks. The 5 stocks that I'm going to be covering is FMBIP. The second one is Cfbk. Next one is BBDO. Next one is NBN. And the last one is SACH. I can zoom into that if you guys want. So let's begin. Yep. Hope you guys can see that. So First Midwest Bancorp. So let's look at the fundamental page first. So the financials, oh, they're not showing me anything. But I tell you what, I did look at these stocks before I even threw it up on the website and stuff. So I looked at this on my phone. There was only one stock out of the five, which was good, and it was this one, SACH. All the other ones were duds, they were trash. So as you can see here for FMBIP. So anyways, low volume, meaning low liquidity. So there are not a lot of buyers and sellers. And as you can see, the 1 year choppiness, this is that's a lot of chop. Not too much. Now considering the prices, not too much chop for the year. So basically, for the year, it's only gone between a $2 range, pretty much. 26.52, pretty much 28.50. And I'm being generous. You know, I'm a little off, but I'm just being generous. So yeah, $2 difference. That's not much. I've seen $2 go up in a month, within the month, for a growth stock. And yeah, I stay away from this company. FMBIP, First Midwest Bank Corp. So let's talk a minute more about that. The PE ratio is kind of high. Again, above the 15, like I mentioned in my previous videos. I don't have enough financial information like they always do on the website. So again, it's better to get this app on the phone. So what else do I have here? Releases, corporate actions. So they do pay dividends. I wish I could show you guys more information. I just don't like the way this is being presented. But this is what I have to offer you. I mean, it sucks. Again, I wish I can show you more, and I wish I had it on my phone and on a bigger screen to show you, but this is what I have to work with. So again, now let's look at the technical side of this. So we have the chart here in an uptrend. Now it's looking like it's in a downtrend. And again, October is usually a selling month. You can see that. So that's pretty much it. Next one up is CFBK, CF Bank shares. So let's look at the 1 year. 1 year trend looks good. Then it went kind of flat after around early March. As you can see there, I like that. It shows the date right there. So March 10th, 2021. And so the volume was 21,000. Anyway, this is still low volume. Still way too low volume. So again, not a lot of buyers and sellers for this stock. So again, you want to stay away from this stock. PE ratio is really low. And again, when you look at it on the technical side, let's do the 1 year. So a little bit of choppiness, and this is another $2 range for the year, and they're paying dividends, quarterly dividends. So again, oh sorry, I didn't click on it. CFBK, sorry. So it went up and then it went flat. So this was wow, this was a big range actually. It went from let's say $12 to around 20. That's not too bad. So $8 range at least. So they are paying dividends, consistent dividends quarterly. But again, just the volume. I don't like the volume. It was just horrible, horrible. Let's see if I have some fundamental info and value to offer you guys here. Their earnings have dropped each quarter. That's not good. I can understand a few quarters, but after 2020, start of 2021, it looks like they're going lower and lower. That's not good. They're dropping. Revenue. Yeah, revenue is going lower. That's bad. Net income, bad. Balance is going up. That's not too bad, but you still want sales. You still want income going in. So the main objective here to narrow down to see what is what is pretty much revenue. Revenue is the same as sales. So once you have a sale, a transaction, that's already money coming in. And obviously it's before all taxes and all that. But again, a sale is a sale. So you're gonna keep a chunk, a big chunk I might add, out of that transaction. So again, as you can see, they went up in the last quarter of 2020 and they've been dropping ever since 2021. And I've said this last year. I said it like last year in my videos. I said after 2020, 2021 is going to be a tough year. And I'm telling you now, 2022, I think the market is going to crash in 2022. Because you can see how fast we went up in 2021. And then towards the end of this year, actually the next 3 months, I think it's going to be a slight drop. And then I think it's going to be flat. And then somewhere in 2022, I think it's just going to continue that trend going down. Because we're so much in debt. And then also the federal government is slowly not buying stocks anymore. They're slowing down their purchases in the stock market. And yeah, they can't afford to bail out so many people at once. This is just nuts. With everything going on, yeah, in 2008, this was nothing compared to 2008 with everything that's going on. So CFBK, this is gonna look like a lot of stocks. It'll look up and then it'll look flat. So next one up is BBDO. We have the forward button there. That stock is way too cheap for my taste. It only went up a few cents and it's not even worth it. What, you're losing what? Even if you bought at the top, let's say I bought at the top at 480, I only lost $1 and what, 60 cents, 70 cents. It's just awful. Yeah, stay away from this stock. It's not even worth it. Not even worth it. So let's look at the chart for here again. What is the, where is it at? Let's go. Where's the 1 year? There it is. So it went up, down, up. Then it's going down, straight down again. So almost looks like a head and shoulders almost. Could be wrong, but that looks like the pattern that's forming. Anyway, so yeah, it looks like a downtrend. Definitely a downtrend. Definitely. So let's look at the financials. If we can get anything. Nothing. Gotta give me something. So next up I have NBN. Let me open that up. So we have NBN going up. Wow, not bad. So you started off at around, let's say 1840, and the close was at 30. What is the close at? 34. Let's say 34. Yeah, 3403. Duh. I'm so tired. I'm not even looking straight. So yeah, 3403, and end of the year it was at let's go to the low here. So it was at 1826. And the opening here was at 79, 74, 74, 1875. Who knows? So it's just hard to really pinpoint it by the cent. But in the 1870s, $18 and change range. So you see that uptrend. It's very obvious. Then it looks kind of flat here. Went up, down, then went up. It looks flat here. Went up, and it's just bouncing around again. But overall for the year, it's been pretty good. Volume is really low, which I don't like. PE ratio is way too low. Very low price range considering the PE ratio. But again, it depends on the stock and the market cap. I don't even like it's like at a time like this, you really don't want to go for really micro cap companies. You want to go with strong names and pretty much hit the reset button in your portfolio and look at after the after the roller coaster ride and after the selling, after the bad market and everything goes away, you got to see what stocks you want to